Hello, welcome to Retail Outsource. In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk edit on Hustle Got Real. So if you are dropship, and if you are using Hustle Got Real, you can use this method. So once you have logged into your account Hustle Got Real, go to My Listings. And this will populate all the listings you have. So if you want to select, you can select up to 500 listings ago. So in this example, I have selected just 50. Then you can individually select the item that you want to edit, or you can just bulk select all. And you can see a small arrow over here, you have to click that. And there is an option called Bulk Edit It, click Bulk Edit. And you can see a lot of options here. And the first option is quantity, multiple values. If you want to change the quantity to, let's say 3. So if you are offering a multi-buy discount, and if you want to have at least 3 items in stock, you can change it from here. So just to edit, and just put the amount that you want. And the second option is set markup, so this is in percentage. So you can just put, for example, 35%, so it'll apply 35% markup on all the listings that you have selected. And on this one, increased by this is also a percentage, or decreased by. So if you use increased by, like let's say if you put 5%. So if your current markup is 30%, and if you put 5 here, it will increase that, and if you have, the listing is 25%. And if you put 5 here, and it'll move that to 30%. So we're just increasing by 5%, or whatever percentage you select. The same goes to decrease markup by, this is also a percentage. You can decrease the percentage, so could apply to all listings. The other option is price. So you can put a price over here, and then it will be applied to all the listings that you selected. So it's better not to touch the price, because the prices are different on all the listings. So you have to be really careful with the price. I would recommend don't touch the price link. And the profit is, let's say if you want a $5 profit on each sale that you make, no matter what item cost is. So in that case, you can just put here, you can put 5. And just set, and it will apply a 5% profit to all the sales that all listings that you offer, so to just mark up that price. And just click Save. And you will get, if you click View More, you'll get a few more options. If you're an advanced user, then you can play around with this one. But most of the time you will be able to put the default settings under Settings. I will just show you Setting and Channel. You will be able to say the default here if that helps. So these are the few ways that you can change the price on Hustle Got Real. I hope this video helps. We do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So please do subscribe to our channel.
Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.